Imagine a car that's not just electric, but sustainable from bumper to bumper. Forget everything you thought you knew about car parts. Because right now, beneath the polished steel and glossy paint of the automotive world, a quiet revolution is taking shape, one built not on horsepower or torque, but on the materials that define the very bones of our machines. And the more you learn about the state of traditional manufacturing, the more you realize this shift isn't a trend. It's a necessity. For decades, the cars we drive have left a trail behind them long before the tires ever touched the road: depleted ores, mountains of plastic waste, and energy-hungry factories that pour carbon into the sky. Even the tech meant to make cars modern, touchscreens, wiring looms, battery casings, comes with a hidden cost: toxic materials that are almost impossible to recycle. It's a system built for speed, not longevity, and the bill is finally coming due. Future generations aren't asking for cleaner cars, they're demanding them. And now, automakers have no choice but to reinvent the very substance of mobility. That reinvention begins with something surprisingly humble: plants. Natural fiber composites made from flax, hemp, and kenaf are quietly taking over roles once reserved for plastics and fiberglass. These materials aren't just eco-friendly, they're strong, incredibly lightweight, and they reshape the way engineers think about efficiency. A lighter car means less energy required to move it, whether powered by gasoline or electrons. Several brands already weave flax fibers into door panels, seat structures, and even load-bearing components. Step inside certain European EVs today and you'll notice textures that feel organic yet futuristic, a glimpse of a world where sustainability isn't a compromise, but an upgrade. Yet the push for greener materials doesn't stop at the farm. Enter the recycled revolution, a circular economy literally rolling on wheels. PET bottles fished out of oceans, repurposed underbody shields molded from discarded plastics, interior trims crafted from what was once waste. Automakers are learning that trash is a resource in disguise. Even carbon fiber, long considered too precious and complex to recycle, is being reborn. Aerospace offcuts are now remanufactured into lightweight sheets used in premium EVs and performance hybrids, delivering strength without the environmental guilt. And behind the scenes, advanced closed-loop factories are proving that the future won't just recycle, it will regenerate. But some of the most transformative materials aren't harvested or recycled, they're grown. Mycelium, the intricate root network of mushrooms, is emerging as a shockingly capable solution for sound insulation and cushioning. It grows in days, requires minimal resources, and biodegrades naturally, turning the idea of automotive interior construction on its head. Alongside it, plant-based vegan leathers derived from cactus and pineapple leaves are replacing energy-intensive animal hides, offering durability with a drastically smaller footprint. Even the metals that form the skeleton of our cars are evolving. Advanced alloys printed from recycled feedstock are creating stronger, lighter structures while slashing production waste. With 3D printing, automakers can form components with surgical precision, eliminating excess material entirely. Taken together, these 5 material revolutions point toward an automotive landscape more sustainable than any generation before us could have imagined. Cars that weigh less, pollute less, and last longer. Factories that harvest carbon instead of releasing it. Research labs exploring self-healing polymers inspired by biology, and biomimetic materials that adapt to stress like living organisms. It's not science fiction, it's the next chapter of mobility, already being written. As we drive toward this future, the most powerful decision still rests with us, choosing brands committed to cleaner manufacturing, asking tougher questions about what goes into our cars, and supporting the innovators who refuse to let sustainability be an afterthought. This is Turbo Excel, thanks for watching. What groundbreaking automotive story do you want to see us uncover next?